In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make deposits in QuickBooks. We'll walk through the simplest way to record money that's been taken to the bank so your books line up with your statement. This keeps your income accurate and makes bank reconciliation painless. To begin, open QuickBooks and head to the top left corner. Click New. From the list of options, choose Bank Deposit. This brings up the deposit form, which is where you'll capture exactly what hit your bank in a single trip. At the top of the form, choose the account where the funds were deposited, like your checking account. Set the deposit date to the date on your bank receipt so it matches what the bank shows. If you use reference numbers on your deposit slips, you can add one here to make it easy to track later. In the body of the form, QuickBooks may show a list of payments waiting in undeposited funds. Select the specific payments that you actually combined into this bank deposit. This is important because the bank shows one total for the trip, not each individual payment. If you also need to include items that didn't come from customer payments, use the Add Funds to this deposit section to enter those amounts. Choose who the money came from, the correct income or clearing account, and the exact amount. Use the memo field to note details like the source, check numbers, or the purpose of the funds. If a processor took a fee before the money arrived, add a line as a negative amount to reflect that fee, so the total matches the bank exactly. As you select and enter these details, watch the total at the bottom. The goal is for it to match the amount on your bank deposit slip to the penny. Taking a moment to confirm this now prevents mismatches later in your bank feed. Once everything looks right, click Save and Close. QuickBooks records the deposit and you're done. When your bank transaction appears in the feed or during reconciliation, it will match cleanly to this single deposit. And there you go. That's all you need to record deposits in QuickBooks. Double-check the date, the bank account, and the total before saving, and consider attaching a copy of the deposit slip for your records. With this approach, your deposits will be accurate, searchable, and ready to reconcile.